Direct speech and indirect speech explanation. Direct speech and indirect speech are two ways of reporting what someone has said. 1. Direct speech. Direct speech repeats the exact words spoken by a person. It uses quotation marks to show the exact words. Structure. Subject plus spoken words. Examples. She said, "I am happy." He asked, "Where are you going?" Key features. Uses quotation marks. Keeps the original tense and pronouns. Punctuation stays inside the quotation marks. 2. Indirect speech, reported speech. Indirect speech paraphrases what someone said instead of repeating their exact words. It does not use quotation marks and often involves changes in tense, pronouns, and time expressions. Structure. Subject plus reporting verb, said, told, asked, plus that plus reported speech. Examples. She said that she was happy. He asked where I was going. Key changes in indirect speech. 1. Tense change, backshifting. Present past. Past past perfect. Will would. Direct speech indirect speech. I am tired. She said she was tired. I like coffee. He said he liked coffee. I will call you. She said she would call me. 2. Pronoun change. I, he, she. You, me, him, her. Example. I love this book. She said she loved that book. 3. Time and place change. Direct speech, indirect speech. Today, that day. Tomorrow, the next day. Yesterday, the day before. Now, then. Here, there. 4. Example. I will meet you tomorrow. He said he would meet me the next day. 3. Questions in indirect speech. Yes, no questions. Use if or whether in reported speech. Direct, are you coming? Indirect, he asked if I was coming. WH questions. The question word, what, where, why, how, etc. stays, but the sentence structure changes. Direct, where do you live? Indirect, she asked where I lived. 4. Commands and requests in indirect speech. Commands. Use told plus to infinitive. Direct, close the door. Indirect, she told me to close the door. Requests. Use asked plus to infinitive. Direct, please help me. Indirect, he asked me to help him. Summary table. Type direct speech, indirect speech. Statement, I am tired. She said she was tired. Yes, no question, are you happy? He asked if I was happy. WH question, where is she? He asked where she was. Command, sit down. She told me to sit down. Request, please help me. He asked me to help him.